I don't think of myself first and foremost as a racer, but when I do race, I freaking love it. And racing is one of the best ways to become a better pilot. And that's why I'm so excited to be making the video that I'm making today, because I am going to participate in an event called RaceGOW. RaceGOW is a racing event that anyone can participate in. You build this race course out of simple PVC pipe. Then you fly your tiny whoop, you submit your DVR, and then you can win actual real prizes. Well, I'm not going to be competing for prizes, but I am super excited to see how well I do on the leaderboards. And frankly, even if I don't do that great on the leaderboards, and I probably won't because there's some really freaking good pilots out there, it's just going to be awesome to get some reps in, have some fun, and see where I go, see where I end up. I'm Joshua Bardwell, and you're going to learn something today. So if you want to compete in RaceGOW, the first thing you got to do is build this course. And Dan has put out a video showing how to build it, so I'm not going to go in depth in that. It's made out of 3/4 inch PVC. There's some standard connectors, and there's actually some pretty wonky connectors that I'm not sure how you're going to find them at the local hardware store. But whether you find them at the hardware store or buy them online, once you've got them, you can set up all the courses that are going to be used for RaceGOW and iGOW, actually, if you want to do a freestyle competition. The next thing we got to do is we got to learn the course, and that's where I'm going to start this video. When I learn a course, the first thing I want to do is just watch somebody fly it and try and like mentally map out all the turns. So around the back, over the horizontal gate, down and back through, straight, left, and okay, spiral up. Ooh, this is gonna take me a minute to learn. Okay, through the start finish, up and over the horizontal, split S down through here, spiral down through here, back through here, left, up, through here, spiral up and over, around here, turn back to the start finish. Okay, got it. Hey there folks, it's Joshua from the future, and I am super self-conscious about the fact that you're about to see my worst laps ever, and many of you will tune out before the end of the video and never see how good I got after just a couple of days of practice. So here is one of my best laps ever. One of these laps in here is about a 10.8 second lap. My fastest ever was a 10.6. And that's nowhere near as fast as, like, there's people out there doing 5 second laps going twice as fast as me, but it's way better than you're about to see. But it's about the progress. That's what these videos are about, right? It's about the progress. But like, I just wanted to see, those turns were really good. Oh, I ran my battery all the way down. Gonna go through the start finish gate, up and over the horizontal, split S down, to the right, and down, and then around, and through here, to the left, up through the second gate, and then ladder up, I can't see, over here, and then around here and through again. Okay, around here. That's annoying. You can't really see what you're doing there. Through here. Hey guys, Joshua from the future. Have you noticed that I'm laddering up through the wrong gate? I'm just doing the track completely out of order. No matter how much I practiced it mentally, now I'm just doing it wrong and I haven't even noticed yet. Nope, that's not right at all. None of that is right. Wait, I think I've still screwed it up. I still think I've screwed it up. It doesn't feel like I'm going around that last pole the right direction. No, continue around and down here, then left, spiral here, then that's it. That's the first like actual lap. This part's messing me up. There we go. I'll just have to do that by feel. Oh, no, continue, don't switch. Spiral up there. Yep. I can't see. If that pole was taller, maybe. I mean, there's no rule that says it can't be. I just don't have a visual reference for that split S. I think I'm gonna have to just sort of come over the top and turn by feel. Not. I can't frickin' see. This camera needs to be a wider angle for this racing, I think. False read. False read. I'm gonna fix this afterwards. Oh, there we go. That was a good lap. What am I doing? I lost track. I was so pleased with myself. I forgot what to do. No. How am I going to do it? Okay, try angle mode, you loser. Am I better in angle mode? Whoa, F me. I can start to feel the flow of the course. It's a nice little course. This is the place I feel like where I'm screwing up the most. Like, I just don't have any visual reference for that little split S-y move there. Gotta get a new battery, All right. I'm starting to get the feel for it. I am a loser who's gonna fly in angle mode. Sorry, no, that's mean. If you fly in angle mode, you're not a loser. I'm not a loser either. I just have to put myself down because I feel like I ought to be good enough to fly this in Acro, but let's face it, I don't fly tiny whoops a lot all the time. So I will be flying it in angle mode because I'm clearly faster in angle mode and better control. I'm starting to get a feel for sort of the flow of the course, how to sort of keep instead of going like through a gate and then thinking, where do I go from here? Starting to sort of put together the turns, you know, and make them, sort of flow together. Let's see if we can get 3 good laps. Oh, she's clicking now, boys. She's clicking now. That's 2 laps in 32.4. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, okay. Breathe. 16, 15, 18. 15, 18, 15. Okay. 16, 16, 15. Not quite a 45, but making progress. Oh boy. Suck. That's not it though. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, why do I suck right now? Wow, that whole pack was absolute garbage. Absolute garbage. Just garbage, the whole pack. Well, folks, I think it's time that I show you the best laps that I got this day. And I want you to know that these are not going to be the final times that I submit for RaceGOW week 1. There are still a few more days before the deadline when you can submit, and I'm going to keep trying to get a better and better time. In fact, I may even switch to a different quadcopter. I suspect that this Meteor 65 Pro is not, well, anyway, that's a topic for another video. I'll show you the conclusion that I recorded to this video in just a little bit, but I want you to know that if you are not yet participating in RaceGOW, there's still time. There are cash prizes. In fact, there is a $100 bounty if you can beat my time. Not this time, the best time that I submit, which I will be uploading in a separate video. You'll be entered for a drawing to win a $100 bounty. That was an idea made up by Dan at iGOW. It's his idea, and was like, okay, you want to give away $100? That's not $100 to everyone who beats my time, which would be silly. It's a $100 drawing, but go ahead, get in there. All right, folks, I can keep doing this, but I think I'm at the limit of what's productive for me to keep doing today. If you're interested in participating in RaceGOW, there's a link down in the video description below to the website where you can get started. It's like 5 sticks of PVC and some connectors. It's not that much money, and it's really, really fun. And frankly, I think it makes you a better pilot. Well, I'm a better pilot now than I was when I first started, that's for sure. This morning. In fact, why don't I put all the RaceGOW stuff in a playlist? Makes sense, right? RaceGOW playlist, link in the upper right, this corner. I'm exhausted. I kind of want to do one more lap.